Hello guys, my name is Daniel from Dan Racing and welcome to a new video. Today I just got some pedal shifters or pedal shifter extensions for my MK6 Golf GTI, and I'm gonna show you guys what came in the package. Just simple package, and I'm gonna show you guys how I'm gonna install them. The pedal shifter here, it's a really nice kind of billet aluminum feel, although I don't believe it's billet because it has some casting marks. Not casting marks, it doesn't have any casting marks actually, but it's not that billet finish, if you guys know what I mean. It's anodized though, it's a black anodized. I chose this one black other than the red ones because I don't really like how the red ones look, but these ones I think they're gonna fit amazing. So let's try the big one. Ooh, okay. I don't know how they are supposed to sit. They do sit pretty good though, if I gotta say. If you guys can see, they have kind of the same shape in here. But for now, I'm just gonna get some rubbing alcohol, clean out both of the surfaces, and get to gluing. We got some paper with some rubbing alcohol here, and we're just gonna wipe these surfaces clean as we can, because your fingers have oils and crap in them, and you just don't want any of that messing up the glue on the double-sided tape. So again, just clean that off real good. Okay, then we're gonna apply. And I'm gonna figure out which way this goes. So, I'm gonna clean these surfaces as well because I got my finger residue in here. So I'm gonna clean these up real good as well. Make sure no oils are in here. So we got the double-sided tape in here. You just grab it here. I'm gonna place it carefully. Gonna carefully place it in here. Okay. Make sure it's pressed down all the way, because again, it's gotta be really solid. You don't want any movement on your pedals, I think. Okay. So make sure they're in all the crevices, because again, it's machined aluminum and you don't want anything in here. Okay, so the red tape is off, and then you have the double-sided tape on here. Then I'm just gonna line it up the best I can first. Because it's gotta be as lined up as possible. And I'm gonna press it into place, make sure it gets in all of those crevices. Okay. So I'm gonna let it stick in there. Okay. Again, the pedal's all the way in. Looks pretty good. And we'll do the same for another one. Okay, so this is how they look. I think they're still gonna dry, but you can still hit the pedal from a lot of angles. It really lets you change the way you drive, so you can just drive it like this and it will just do it. The double-sided tape seems to be strong. I don't think it will peel off at all, but this is how it looks. Looks a lot better, looks a lot sportier. Just feels so good. The gap is really nice. Please focus. It's not gonna focus, but I'm gonna... Okay. So this is how the gap looks. Really nice again on here. Also really nice. And under here, you can see it looks pretty good as well. Okay. So the angles are good. It's pretty much straight on. If I turn camera as the wheel shows, you can see that they are pretty much straight on. Again, thank you all for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video of me installing these pedal extensions. They look really good. They feel amazing, so and they really complement the whole interior being black. I don't think red would look good because the standard pedals are black. Again, thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned for more, and I'll see you in the next video. Goodbye.